135 residents have been relocated to formal housing and 10 suspected illegal foreigners have been arrested, and this was during a coordinated multi-agency operation at the Vlei-Hof hostel earlier today. The operation, led by Johannesburg Human Settlements alongside law enforcement agencies, is aimed at addressing illegal occupation, unsafe living conditions, as well as restoring order in the area. It follows concerns over deteriorating conditions and the rapid growth of informal structures around the hostel. Officials have confirmed that the operation is ongoing, with remaining structures set for demolition on Monday as part of a broader city cleanup and housing compliance drive.
Balinganiselwa ngephezu kwekhulu abahlali basemjondolo eyakhiwe ehostela lase-Vlei-Hof abathuthelwe endaweni entsha eyokuhlala njengoba kulindeleke ukuba kubhidlizwe izakhiwo ezindala kanye nalemjondolo. Osekomidini likameya kumnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu kumasipala waseJohannesburg ubeke kanjena.
Ukuze sikwazi ukuqhubeka ne-development ngoba i-development yethu yase-Vlei-Hof njengamanje imise ukuthi kufuneke kudemolishe le hostel bese sikwazi ukusebenza. So ke sinawo ama-beneficiaries awu-130 esizowamuva la. Sino Home Affairs osilekelela because le ndawo inama-foreign nationals amaningi kakhulu and already sesithathe modern chain esesiwadetainile ne-Home Affairs namaphoyisa. So i-operation iyaqhubeka, so each and every ID eyongena umuntu eyongena lapha izodlula ku-Home Affairs because sifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi abantu sebafaka lapha abantu aba-right nokuthi ke sisebenzisa ilist yase-human settlements because kufuneka sihambise abantu abama-beneficiaries ababe-identifyiwe. Asifuni ukuyofaka abantu aba-wrong vele besezwileko ukuthi khona bathengiselana iy'peyisi la.
Leli hostela obesekusele izindongo ezingagculisi bese liphenduke indawo yemjondolo nobugebengu budla lubi. Umphakathi uzwakalise intokozo njengoba uthi sekuphele iminyaka uhleli kule ndawo kungemnandi.
Yona benzima cause like sifacana nezinto eziningi kakhulu ezinzima, sometimes akunagesi, kubanjwa inkunzi, yabo like asihlelanga kahle nje.
Ngijabulile yazi labantu laba bayasihlupha sisi wami ngitshela kahle ne mama, ngihlala la kulama flat lawa ne mama, basitshontshela igesi mama, cabanga mama. Njalo nje ihlezi kukhuluma nabo silwa nabo ukuthi abangasithatheli ugesi mayiba into enkulu yabo. Hey mama le ndawo iserious yo mara ngijabulile yazi mama. And la most la hlala amakwerekwere yabona mama. Kumele bahambe and basitshontshela basibamba inkunzi. Hayi mama angeke mama. Abahambe skis hambani siyabonga.
Bangaphezu kweshumi abokufika baboshiwe ngenkathi kuqhubeka lo mkhankaso kanti ngomsombuluko uzobhidlizwa izindonga zehostela. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV nginokulunga Mthembu ngise-Vlei-Hof.